A movie theater had a certain number of tickets to give away. 5 people got the tickets. The first got 1/3 of the tickets, the second 1/4 of the tickets, the third 1/5 of the tickets. The fourth person got 8 tickets, and there were 5 tickets left for the 5th person. Let's find the total number of tickets given away. We'll begin by familiarizing ourselves with the problem situation, and we'll start by assigning a variable to what we're asked to find, the total number of tickets given away. So the total number of tickets, we'll let that be represented by T. The first person got 1/3 of the tickets, so that would be 1/3 of T. The second person, 1/4 times T. The third person, 1/5 times T. The fourth person got 8 tickets, and the 5th person got 5 tickets. Now, since these 5 people got all the tickets, the sum of their tickets should equal the total number of tickets given away. We can use that piece of information to translate to an equation. The first person got 1/3 T tickets, the second 1/4 T, the third 1/5 times T, the fourth person 8, the 5th person 5, and that sum should be T. We have an equation, so we can solve. Now to solve, I want to add 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5. So I will write those with a common denominator of 60. I have 20/60 T plus 1/4 is 15/60 plus 1/5 is 12/60. And then I'll add 8 plus 5 and I'll get 13, and that equals T. Adding 20 plus 15 plus 12, I get 47/60 T plus 13 equals T. Now I want to subtract 47/60 from both sides. Now T I can write as 60/60 T. So subtracting, I get 13 equals 60 minus 47 is 13/60 T. To solve for T, I multiply on both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 13/60, which is 60 over 13 times 13 equals, and I'll write this out, 60 over 13 times 13 over 60 times T. 60 divided by 13 times 13 is 60. 60 over 13 times 13 over 60 is 1, and 1 times T is T. So I have a possible solution. I need to check my answer, so I move to the 4th step, check. Now to check, if I have 60 tickets, and the first person got 1/3 of those tickets, the first person would get 20. If the second person got 1/4 of those tickets, the second person would get 15. If the third person got 1/5 of those tickets, that person would get 12. The fourth person we know got 8, and the last person only got 5. Adding these numbers together, we get 60, and that does check. So we can state our answer in a complete sentence. 60 tickets were given away.